Hadien kat arsngi ke jing beteng ya ke jing ki da ke Jingshah Thngan. Ke Green Tech Foundation hak arpo trik ya yong arhajar arpun riau kelashim kerai ben sangeno ke jing ki hadien bagi Sorkar MDA kelpen bena ban Pyndam no senon ke projek ke batmu ban pentrikam ha ke dolen nong Lumpongdeng. Hakaport Janmir District Magistrate rengkat berke officer Sorkar Jilla Kilawan Poi Hamadan Malki ban IT ke Shithino Joint Secretary katnat jungo akai perthai. Kani ke Shithi ke kedau bag Sorkar kelashe mekerai ban pensangeno baro ke jing temu ban pentrai ha kedul nong Lumpongdeng. Hadien balayo ya kini ke jing tho Chairman ke Green Tech Foundation uba H ban siudor nonglang wadla udan hapdeng ke jing Sumar Woodland Hospital. Ulawan Poi Hamadan Malki ban penbenai ke jing penkutno ke Jingshah Thngan ke belane kat arsni. Habakran kemat upat ba uba nonglang ulapan pau bagani kede jingjab jeng upat ba. Ulakno ru bag Sorkar MDA kalah hapan Pyndam namar kebor jeng Jingshah. Baru ai kublaya bro kiseng gom ke VPP ke KSU ke HYC ke Hito kirang ba snong kilong kemilong kepa bagi nuan baper ki bala senran lang ha kede jing yaki. Hago por Secretary General ke Green Tech Foundation uba Ritri lengdo ulapan mena bagian sepelat ya ke Lumpongdeng Files ke bagentup ke jing tep alor ke jing bamsap bagi jing salah pedeng ki hespa bagi Sorkar ke Green Tech Foundation ke penpau bagi lependep ke kamram banedai kamariang bat ke i hakiwai pat ki kenhuan ban budien ya ke kam bamsap
bah menona nilai job pertama di Lumpongdeng lesen lewat nilai job Lumpongdeng nilai job Lumpongdeng nilai job Lumpongdeng sampai sibon nadung tatasni ini di pasang sekretariat kendai hak banyo iaka jing kumai bakila Pyndam bro minumai kumai ini berbal dan yap nilayap dari paipa paipa jika jinting paipa meminta pendapat Pyndam unlong yang ujung bi unlong yang ujunga bakunya ilong yang ujung kapateng ujung tajai beliau Hakun gari gopor nimbong kaburong sublay ki umat ki bajau ki jimpai donut kar arsni ke Jingshah Thngan arpor teli ki drip nilayo iaka jingjok kila Pyndam minta jimtul jatali kaladon kajai Pyndam iya kita ki infong sermat ki bompa ka jimtuli ki kurun ki baar lainut omnele jingnya teli minta nilayo iya kajai Pyndam yalam mafi nang nay syakmat min but pengi kisama min kendang nay kiyakine kiru asap kiru mento ibadi yang dari kajai Pyndam shisin ngasngi min penhabat bat min penjarbat balda piyaj hasilnya try Pyndam jaka hakendau te pak unmai kulai syukur bat ngapen menang bak Jingshah Jenit ke Jonga Usahaman ke Green Tech Secretary General ke Green Tech Ikong Merijon Nopo Govt minta kala kut
as we have received the letter from the Joint Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, they have made it very categorically and particularly in consonance with our demand that Lumpongdeng Island is excluded from the overall development of the said luxury resort and spa. We are taking for the government the most inhumane government that Meghalaya has witnessed.
yes
12 long days and 12 long nights for them to get on their knees. The government itself, although we had anticipated that it would collapse after the hospitalization of our chairman. But today, mark my words, the 20th day of April 2026, the government of Meghalaya, the MDA-led NPP government, has now trembled in fear. And as Green Tech Foundation had took the forefront to raise the green ethics and the sensitivity of Lumpongdeng Island as an eco-fragile system, we had achieved our goal this evening. However, the scam that we had exposed alongside environmental issues is still at large and yet to be addressed. And for the other subject matters that relates to this very issue, we leave it to other organizations to take up the matter diligently, committedly, and sincerely, so that the whole world globally acknowledges that Rikasi is built on foundational principles. And as per the RTIs that we have received from various documents, any organization, any group, any individual who's interested to follow up with the other issues that involves corruption, that involves the political nexus between corporates and legalities, and the politicians and corporates, the nexus between a corrupt system with the so-called high levels, and the manner in which there is a big failure in state machinery. Everyone who is concerned, everyone who is interested, we are ready to share with you what we call the Lumpongdeng files.